Dear students, how are you? I think you are well. I am Kofiluddin Mahmood, Kumilla Victoria Government College, Kumilla. Today I like to show you a priority sequence mnemonic of functional group. Actually, when we going to name a organic compounds having more than one functional group, in that case we need to recall the priority sequences of the functional group. For example, CH3, CH COOH. This is an organic compound. You can see that there are two functional groups, OH and COOH. So, what will be the compound? Is it hydroxyl or alcohol, or is it a carboxylic acid? So we need to recall which functional group had the priority in the priority sequences. If we consider another compound like this CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CHO, you can also see that there are two functional groups. This is ketone, and you can see this is aldehyde. So what will be the compound? Is it a ketone, or is it an aldehyde? So in this case, we need to recall the priority sequences of the functional group. Today, I like to show you a mnemonic by which we can easily determine the priority sequences of the functional group. The mnemonic is careful, Sultan, actively hold, Armada, silently, and Aldrin kept all Thai army in Yellow Hall nicely. This is a mnemonic by which we can easily determine the priority sequences of the common functional group, which is actually used in naming organic compounds having more than one functional group. Careful car means carboxylic acid. This gets the most priority in naming organic compounds. Then sultan, SUL, it indicates sulfonylic acid. Actually this is actively hold means acid halide. Armada, this means acetamide, and silently this is cyanide. And then aldrin, ALD, is indicates aldehyde, kept ketone, all alcohol, thiol, amine, in means alkene, double bonds, yellow, Y indicates ine, hol H means halide, and nicely nitro. Okay, you can see by using the mnemonic we easily determine the priority sequences of the functional group, and this carboxylic acid get the most priority, then sulfonylic acid, then acid halide, then acetamide, then cyanide, then aldehyde, then ketone, then hydroxy or alcohol, and thiol, amine, alkene, alkyne, halide, and nitro. And easily you can see that the carboxylic radical gets the most priority. So what will be the name of this compound when we encounter these kinds of compound? There are two functional OH and COOH. You can see easily that this COOH has the priority over OH or alcohol. So this is an carboxylic acid, not an alcohol. So which is now here a branch. If we going to name this compound, then that will be 2-hydroxy 1 2 3 3 2-hydroxy propanoic acid. And if we want to name this compound here, two functional group, ketone and aldehyde. You can see that the aldene kept this aldehyde gets priority over ketone, so this is an aldehyde undoubtedly. And if we are going to name this compound, this means this is branch 1 2 3 4 3 dash. This will not here indicate the ketone, it's an oxo. This is 3 oxo 1 2 3 4 butanal, the compound is this. So I think that if we can recall these priority sequences of the functional group by using this mnemonic easily, and we can easily name any compounds, organic compounds having more than one functional group. So thank you very much for watching the video patiently. See you again.